The future of air travel appears bright. With the recent revelations of flying cars and aircraft that run on electricity, the concept of flying is forever changed. These futuristic aircraft have the power to completely transform the way we travel. We've only once seen a commercial supersonic aircraft, and that was the Concorde. Now, 2 decades since the Concorde retired, we're wondering whether supersonic flights will come back. And the answer is yes. Boom Supersonic is a Denver-based startup that's set to produce the Overture, the first civilian supersonic jet since the Concorde. It aims to begin testing as early as 2025. The aircraft would fly at just over twice the speed of sound, or Mach 2.2, but will likely be limited to subsonic speeds over land. However, the idea of flying from Tokyo to San Francisco in less than 6 hours sounds incredible. The company claims that fares won't be much higher than business class, even though Concorde fares soared well beyond the first-class tab. Currently, the Overture is still in the development phase, with its delivery planned to begin in 2026. If everything goes according to plan, the Overture will be the first supersonic aircraft to fly in the past 2 decades and will likely outperform the Concorde. KLM has developed the Flying V concept plane, and its designers envisage sitting passengers in its wings. This no-tail blended wing aircraft might look like a giant bat, but the unique design will allow the aircraft to reduce fuel consumption by 20% while carrying hundreds of people over long distances. This unique design places the passenger cabin, cargo hold, and fuel tanks in the wings, which is quite different layout than most of the planes flying these days. The Flying V has already conducted its first flight, where a team of researchers and engineers tested the aircraft at a guarded airbase in Germany. They worked with an Airbus team to test takeoffs, maneuvers, approaches, and landings. Although the tests were all a success, there's still a lot of work to be done on the aircraft before it can take passengers in the sky. However, it appears that the Flying V will roam the skies quite soon. Designed and developed by John McInnes, the Synergy aircraft is a new 5-seat single-engine aircraft that will reduce induced drag and be stall-resistant. It's said that the new concept will use only 10% of the fuel of a regular jet plane of the same size. Although it might not be a huge commercial aircraft, this concept will forever change how private jets travel. It'll also be used as an air taxi, accommodating up to 5 passengers. Featuring both a futuristic design and technology, it can fly 40 miles per gallon. With its unique aerodynamic wing design, it's managed to smash that like button like you should be doing right now. But no, it's managed to catch the attention of many aviation lovers who believe this aircraft will change how we travel. The Synergy design was first unveiled in 2011, but it's still in the concept stage, and we aren't exactly sure when it will officially take to the sky. Following the Sky Whale concept, OVI's design visualizes a commercial eco-jet named the Progress Eagle that targets air travel in 2030. With a unique design, the aircraft has a capacity of 800 passengers over 3 decks. It enhances 6 hydrogen fuel energy engines to lift the aircraft off the ground and utilizes a rear wind generation to provide self-generated electrical power. Using materials such as carbon fiber and a shape memory alloy increases the efficiency by making the plane lighter. It also looks extremely futuristic, and we hope this aircraft will eventually be put into action and will not remain only a concept. One of Airbus's 3 concepts for the first zero-emission commercial aircraft is the ZEROe aircraft, which is predicted to enter service by 2035. All 3 concepts, including the ZEROe, are hybrid hydrogen aircraft, meaning they're powered by hydrogen combustion through modified gas turbine engines. The ZEROe aircraft is said to carry between 120 and 200 passengers and will be able to travel more than 2,000 nautical miles in one journey, making it suitable for transcontinental flights. The second concept will be more appropriate for short-haul trips, and instead of using a turbofan, the aircraft will be powered by a turboprop engine running on hydrogen. The most impressive concept is the blended wing-body aircraft with an exceptionally wide interior that opens up multiple options for hydrogen storage and distribution. In this concept, the wings merge with the main body of the aircraft, and the aircraft has a capacity of up to 200 passengers and much more space for cargo than any previous aircrafts built by Boeing. The aircraft will have the passengers seated inside the blended wings, which is a revolutionary design. The Airbus ZEROe might have had a blended wing design, but Boeing's new transonic truss brace wing is more impressive. After revealing this new concept, researchers have noted that it'll fly higher and faster than the previous transonic truss-braced wing concepts. The new configuration is designed to offer aerodynamic efficiency while flying at Mach 0.8. The new concept now has an optimized truss and modified wing sweep to increase the jetliner's cruise speed. By adjusting the wing sweep angle, the truss can lift more efficiently. This will allow the aircraft to improve its performance and be able to fly longer ranges. This concept is not expected to enter service for at least 5 more years, but when it does, it'll likely be the best jetliner to have ever roamed the skies. Apart from the multiple commercial aircraft concepts in the world, a few small light aircraft have been introduced in recent years. One such aircraft is the Alice Commuter, which is an all-electric light aircraft that the company describes as using distributed propulsion with one main pusher propeller at the tail and 2 pusher propellers at the wingtips. A total of 6,000 pounds of lithium-ion batteries provide power to the aircraft. The Alice Commuter is designed to accommodate up to 9 passengers for a range of 600 miles. The company is focused on making an all-electric aircraft and believes the future will greatly benefit from such aircraft. It's believed that the Alice Commuter will start performing its first commercial flights any day now, but we'll still wait to see this concept become a reality. With this aircraft in service, this company will completely transform the idea of air taxi, and it seems likely that in the years to come, air taxis will become a regular part of our lives. The Airbus VSR 700 helicopter has already begun autonomous flight trials, and it made its first flight in 2018. Although 2018 might be a while ago, this helicopter still has everything that future air travel will need. It features a flight control system, which is a fully digital multi-channel system. It's also equipped with optical sensors and a maritime land radar system. Recently, the helicopter has been testing its capabilities for takeoff and landing at sea. The OPV is capable of carrying only one pilot, who's only needed to take off and land the helicopter. The rest of the flight of the OPV is managed by fully autonomous maneuvers, and the pilot can let the aircraft do all the heavy lifting. As of today, EasyJet might become the first airline in the world to fly net zero, as their US-based partner, Wright Electric, is working on a motor for an all-electric aircraft. The concept of the Wright 1 aircraft will have an all-electrical system with an electric motor and inverter. The company believes that the future of air travel lies in all-electric systems, and this concept has been described as the Tesla of the sky. This concept might be a far reach, but Wright Electric believes they can smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. But no, in all seriousness, they believe that they can produce an all-electric aircraft. The aircraft is designed to handle flights under 300 miles and will feature high aspect ratio wings for energy-efficient flight, distributed electric propulsion, and swappable battery packs with advanced cell chemistry. A flying car might only be something you've seen in movies, but as of today, it's slowly becoming a reality with multiple companies putting in hard work to make it happen. One such concept is the aero-mobile flying car, a futuristic concept that's already been revealed to the world. With a price tag of $1.2 million, this incredible car/aircraft can fully transform into flight mode in less than 3 minutes and reach a cruising range of around 434 miles. The unique design of the aero-mobile flying car features both wheels and wings, enabling it to be driven as a normal car and also used as a small personal jet. Aero-mobile has been working on a flying car for decades, and if everything goes to plan, the production of the AM 4.0, the latest version of the flying car, will begin assembly later this year, and it's expected that delivery will begin in 2023. Bye for now.